Good day, everyone. My name is Ms.Estevez from the SCE 2B. I'm going to discuss type of sampling techniques. But first, what is sampling? Sampling is the selection of sample in such a way that they represent the total population as good as possible. Two types of sampling technique: probability sampling and non-probability sampling. Probability sampling is based on the fact that every member of a population has a known and equal chance of being selected. For example, if you had a population of 100 people, each person would have odds of 1 out of 100 of being chosen. Types of probability sampling: simple random sampling, systematic random sampling, stratified random sampling, and clustered sampling. Simple random sampling. Each member of the population has an equal chance to be included in the sample. Under the simple random sampling, there are two types of technique: lottery or fishbowl technique, which was done by writing a name of each person, object, or things on a small slip of paper and deposit them in a box. And after they are mixed together, the first pick is made followed by another until the sample size is chosen. The second one is table of random numbers. The table contains rows and columns of digits, randomly ordered by a computer. From starting point, continue in any direction as long as there is consistency with the routine, and continue picking out the numbers until desired numbers of sample size is obtained. Systematic random sampling. The members of the population are arranged in some fashion, perhaps alphabetically ordered or other sort. A random starting point is selected, and every nth member will be the succeeding sample. Stratified random sampling involves splitting subjects into mutually exclusive groups and then using simple random sampling to choose members from groups. Cluster sampling can be done by subdividing the population into smaller units, then selecting only at random some primary units where the study would then be concentrated. It is sometimes referred to as an area sampling because it is frequently applied on geographical basis. Non-probability sampling. Every item in a population does not have an equal chance of being selected. It can be difficult to draw conclusions about the population based on information derived from a sample. Types of non-probability sampling: quota sampling, judgment or purposive sampling, convenience or accidental sampling, and snowball sampling. Quota sampling is similar to stratified random sampling, since there is also a quota for each stratum, but sampling is not done at random. Judgment or purposive sampling. Representative samples are deliberately chosen based on judgment. Convenience or accidental sampling. The weakest form of sampling, but most frequently used because of its convenience. The elements in the samples are selected because they are readily available. Participants are selected based on availability and willingness to take parts. Snowball sampling is commonly used in social science when investigating hard-to-reach groups. Existing subjects are asked to nominate further subjects known to them, so the sample increases in size like a rolling snowball.